In this video, I will show you how to upload files to Google Drive in a mobile device. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, I'll be showing you how to do this using the Google Drive app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Drive app on your device. Now, what you want to do at this point is make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to load files into. So if you come up to the top right hand corner and you can press on your profile icon and go ahead and choose which account you want to sign into. So once that's done, if you look over here, you've got a plus button. So what you want to do is press onto this plus button and you're going to get some options. From here, go ahead and press the upload button. And what you can then do is go ahead and choose some files to upload. So what I've done, I've just gone ahead and selected a file. It's going to start automatically uploading. And you can see in my notifications, as I've scrolled down from the top, it says uploaded one file. So what you can now do is you've got two options, locate file or share. So you just want to press on to locate file and it's going to locate it in your Google Drive. So that's how you can go ahead and upload files to Google Drive on a mobile device. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.